Well, the other big story, while the standoff between India and China continues in eastern Ladakh along the line of actual control far away from the Himalayan region in the Indian Ocean, the docking of 3 Chinese warships along with the frontline Indian warship at the Colombo port for a moment raised the specter of another tension. However, Indian warship in Mumbai and the Chinese warships Yuan and Kilan Shan are scheduled to hold separate passage exercises with the Sri Lankan warships. The in Mumbai on a 3-day visit to Sri Lanka will engage in the passing exercise on its departure on August 29. The Indian warship is a 163 m long guided missile destroyer which is manned by a crew of 410 members. The warship is commanded by Captain Sundeep Kumar, while China's Hafar warship is at 144.50 m long guided missile destroyer crewed by 267 personnel. China's second warship docked in Colombo is Yuyan, which is a 210 m long landing platform dock called the amphibious transport dock, manned by 872 crew members. Ming's third warship is at harbor is Kinchan, which is 210 m long landing platform dock with 334 crew members, which means both Wuan and Kailan Shan warships are the landing platform docks and are designed to transport troops into war zone by sea. Sri Lanka welcomed all 4 Indian and Chinese warships with the naval traditions. China's growing presence in the Indian Ocean region has been a cause of major concern for India, as Beijing has been deploying survey and research spy vessels in the region for oceanography, mapping, and for gathering of data related to navigation and submarine operations. In the past, India has been registering its protests with Colombo to allow docking of Chinese warship spy vessels and submarines at Thulkan ports. And for the very latest on this, our correspondent Dasani is joining us live from Sri Lanka with the latest. And Das, the question really is, why were both the Indian and the Chinese warships allowed at the same port at the same time, and what really happened?
Well, this is not the first instance where the Colombo port is receiving vessels from India and China, and Sri Lanka's foreign minister on multiple times in the past has mentioned of Sri Lanka's non-aligned foreign policy, making sure that both China and India retain their cordial relations with Sri Lanka. So that is why I believe that the Sri Lankan government made these measures in order to welcome both these vessels, rather 4 vessels from both these nationalities, and made sure that all such interactions between these naval commands along with Sri Lanka's navy will happen parallel but not together. Thanks for watching this video.